bathroom. My name's Brittany, and today we're gonna be trying out a brand new product, Plex. So ladies, men, you may notice that my hair is not fried today like it normally is. So this is a product that protects and repairs your hair. How does this work? By focusing on the pH. So the natural pH of the hair is about 5. Now, when we lighten and alter our hair, relax it, perm it, color it, deposit it, lift it, whatever, we alter its pH state. Now, no one likes to be taken out of their home, so when you take it out of level 5 up to level 9, that's when your hair gets frizzy, folks. That's when your hair starts dying and breaking on yourself. So what this does is protects it when you add it in your hair color, which you also don't have to do, and brings it and balances it back to a level 5, which is where it's supposed to be in its neutral, natural state. Another really cool thing is these are not just for professional use. It's professional grade, but it's available to everyone. So you don't have to have a license to buy this product like you do some of the others. So how does this work? One of two ways. You can add this to your hair color, or you can just do this standalone as a conditioning treatment. This is my first time using it on myself, and I actually mix mine in my hair color, which I'll walk you through.
For the two-step treatment, which is when you're using it with color or lightener, you want to add the entire contents of the packet that says pH Plex number 1. You mix this with your hair color formula, and it actually doesn't change the consistency of the hair color or the lightener. The packet itself is just pure liquid, so you would think it would water it down, but it actually doesn't change it at all. I added mine in my lightener formula, and I also added mine in my permanent color or low light formula. I'm going to be using the low lights on my hair extensions, so not only is this safe for every single hair type and texture, you can also use this on your hair extensions.
Once you're done processing your hair color, you want to rinse this out. No shampoo, just rinsing out and towel drying, because now we're going to apply step 2. Step 2 is the pH balancing repair mask. So we're going to apply this on towel dried hair to the ends and the length. So you don't have to get it directly on the scalp. We're just doing the mid shaft and the ends. You don't have to do this, but I like to just brush mine through to make sure it's completely saturated. Now, one packet will cover short to medium length hair, and for long hair, for long hair you may have to use 2 packets. I think 1 packet is gonna work. Basically smells like nothing, which is nice. My client that I used it on, she had just gotten a relaxer, and we were just touching up her color after her relaxer. So I used this in the formula and this step 2 after. She just looked like a goddess when we were done. It was like this nice, silky, flowing, beautiful, long, luscious locks. Not envious at all. Okay, where I'm getting at with this is you can use it on relaxers, and I haven't tried it on permed hair, but it does say you can use it on permed hair. So it's safe for any type of hair, which I love that. So once you're done applying this to your towel dried hair, you're gonna leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and leave mine on for 10 minutes just cause. Okay, so here it is after we're done. Can you believe this? Look at this. And it feels good. It doesn't have any buildup or residue, and it just feels like I just left the hair salon, which I don't get that feeling often because I'm a hairdresser. I never get my hair done, so this is like super, super legit. And that's it. Thanks for joining me here in my bathroom. Be sure to like, subscribe, unsubscribe, dislike, who cares? I post new content every single week. Be sure to comment below if you grab yours. I'll put the link in the description box. Let me know how much you liked it and if you saw results like me. All right, see you next week for something cool.